So the other week, my old Roomba, this one, broke down. Yeah, it's I think it needs a new battery, which are about 20, well, maybe $30. I gave $28 for this with the charger. 2023, at the end of 2023. So this has just been running for just over a year and has been doing absolutely fine in my house, but it died. So let's go and search for another one. Actually, I've been searching for a while and I couldn't find one until today. Let's take a look. So I've been searching the thrift stores and online on Marketplace, but today I found this, $25. Ion, or Dion, or Myon. Anyway, turns out this is quite a cheap brand, full of dog hairs and $100 new. But next to it is this. This is a Shark IQ for $25. Yeah, the brushes are missing from the bottom, but if this is an EV11, it's one of the 1000 series, so it's quite an early one. $300 to buy new, and it comes with a docking station and the power adapter. So first of all, let's see if there's any life in this thing. We've got a light. Come on, wake up.
Hello, let's get cleaning.
Wake up. And there we go. Yeah, it works. And it seems to be quite powerful. Chugging along lovely. So, yeah, let's cash out. Let's get it home. And let's see if it's what we need for our house. We have wooden floors, by the way, so yeah, no car. Well, there's a couple of rugs, which we'll talk about in a minute. So this is it rolling around at home without even charging it. This thing came with almost a full charge. I downloaded the app, connected the app via Wi-Fi, and everything on this thing works great. Except for the little side brushes, obviously. But yeah, and you should see what this picks up. I know it's just a vacuum, but yeah, we have a little dog, and we vacuumed this house daily. We vacuum daily, but we like these little Roomba things. Well, this is a Shark, because they pick up where we can't get the vacuum, especially with the dog. He sheds a little. And look, that is one run through the house. Mostly it stuck to one of the carpets and kept cleaning that. And I think that's come right out the carpet. That is mind bonkers, considering we only vacuumed this morning. Yes, fella. And then he drove back to its dock and sat there charging. A nice little bargain, I think, today. A proper good Thrift-tronic pickup. Sometimes you just got to take the risk, get home, and hope for the best.